friends, good evening. My name is Samantha Samuel and welcome to my kitchen show. Today I'm going to show you all a very healthy, fully herbal, homemade immuno booster that will strengthen your whole family's immune system. This can be called the powerhouse of your immune system. This recipe is very cost effective and all the ingredients are readily available in your kitchen cupboard. During this COVID times and the regular flu season is just around the corner, I believe everyone wants a healthy immune system to combat these viruses. So let's get started. For this recipe, you need 2.5 tablespoons of freshly chopped ginger, 2.5 tablespoons of freshly chopped garlic, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of korum powder, 1 cup of lemon juice, 1/3 cup of water. Mix all these ingredients in your regular kitchen blender and make a puree. Let me just show you. So you put all the ingredients together. At the same time, everything can go in. And pour the lemon juice. And then pour in the water. And then I'm going to blend it. So after you blend it, it'll look like this, a little bit of a watery consistency. You can add some honey because it'll be a bit spicy. My son calls this a spicy cocktail. You can take 3 tablespoons every night before you go to bed, and the rest you can store it in the refrigerator. Remember to leave it out 30 minutes before you take it. This is a very simple recipe, but the ingredients are loaded with antioxidants, antiviral, and antibacterial properties that not only boost your immune system, but it will help with your overall health. This is good for your digestion and weight loss as well. So give it a try, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and remember always to stay safe. Thanks for watching, and remember to check my Samantha's Kitchen Show for more videos. Bye for now.